Yes, guys, I'm back with the another Nika makeup essential brush and blender set. This is the product that I have gotten from Nika store. And talking about the packaging wise, you can see here this is pink. This comes in the pink box, and here are the details of the Nika makeup essentials brush and blender set for full face and eyes, and it is easy applicator. Let me tell you what and all it includes. So it includes one blush brush, one contour brush, one concealer brush, one eyeshadow, one eyebrow brush, and two blenders. So now let me open this firstly. Yeah, so you can see here this is what I have gotten. As you can see here, this is one of the piece that is missing because I have already used it. This is the extra blender, blender it has. It's very soft, and yes guys, it does not absorb your makeup. I'm just putting it back, and these are the brushes. I think this is the foundation brush, or this is the powder brush, this is the eyeshadow brush, and this might be some brush, and yes, last would be the angular brush. So now totally you can see here we have five brushes and two blender. Talking about the bristles of these brushes, let me show you. It's very soft on your skin because I have been using this now for my makeup and all. I have actually used this brush. You can see here. It's very soft on my eyes, and it's convenient to use also. Since I am very beginner in makeup, usually I do makeup, but I'm not regular in makeup. So I just thought of investing in Nika brushes also. I have already made a video of Mars brushes. So I think I'm not sure among Nika or the Mars which brushes is actually good. But definitely I will come up with the the best one which is good and which is bad. So talking about the quality, or you can say, it is very soft. First, let me show you how is it. So you can see here it is very soft. Like while doing makeup, you won't even feel like you are applying something on your eyelids or your face. And the quality, the picking of it, it's the in the pastel colors, it's in the pink and little shimmery, and it's easy to hold also, and it's easy to grasp also, and you can do your makeup very easily. um yes, this is the angular brush, so it's kind of hard because obviously you have to like do your liner and stuff. So talking about the price, I have gotten this for around 1400 bucks. This is the MRP that is mentioned here, and these are all the manufacturing and packaging detail. So along with the the details in the front, the back side also it's mentioned like the cleaning the and care instructions that you have to follow every 1 to 2 weeks. So guys, you can have a look on this. I'm just holding it for you so you can pause the video and check on it. So yes, these are the manufacturing, the country, it is the country of origin, and other details that are mentioned here. So in set it has of five brushes and two blenders, beauty blenders it has. And yes, these are all the details that are mentioned here. So yes, I think it's a good buy for me. Right now I'm not able to compare with the Mars brushes, but I will make a detailed video about the comparison, or which is worth it, or which one is better. So guys, that's about the Nika brushes. and the blender, or the details that includes here. So yes guys, so if you liked or find this video informative, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So yes guys, thank you all for watching my channel video. See you all in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.